Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an upsell page in Funnelish. To begin, open Funnelish and go to the Get Started area. This is where you can access the available setup options and begin building out your funnel structure. If you are new to the platform, this section is a helpful starting point because it gives you a quick way to work from an existing layout instead of building everything from scratch. Once you are on the Get Started page, click on the sample template. This gives you a ready-made foundation to work with, which can save time and make the setup process easier. Using a sample template is especially useful if you want to see how the funnel is organized before adding your own custom pages. After opening the sample template, click on Use Template. This tells Funnelish that you want to create your funnel based on that selected layout. At this point, the system will load the template into your workspace so you can start modifying it. When the template is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on New Step. This is the option used to add another page or stage to your funnel. Since the goal here is to create an upsell page, this is the point where you begin adding that new step into the flow. Next, choose either the sample template option or click on Default. This decision depends on how you want to build the upsell page. If you select a sample template, you will start with a pre-designed version that may already include a structure you can customize. If you choose Default, you will begin with a more basic page setup. Either option works, so choose the one that best matches your workflow and how much customization you want to do afterward. After selecting the template type, enter the name for your upsell page. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if your funnel will include multiple steps. A descriptive name can make it much easier to stay organized later when you are editing or reviewing your funnel. Once you have entered the upsell name, click on Create. Funnelish will then add the new upsell page to your funnel, and from there you can continue customizing the page, content, layout, and offer details as needed. That's all it takes to add an upsell page in Funnelish. Following these steps gives you a simple way to expand your funnel and create additional opportunities within your customer journey.